What's up, y'all? I don't know if y'all can tell, but I just woke up. I still got a morning voice and I'm outside already. It's a Saturday and I'm about to go to school, bro. Cause me and the bros, we got in some trouble in school. And we basically gotta do like hella service hours for Saturday to tell us to come to school and do this, do that. It's gonna be hella boring. But today I'm gonna go AIRSOFT. You know, that's the main event for today. So I'm gonna be recording that and shit like that. But right now I'm mad tired, bro. So yeah, I'm probably gonna explain to y'all what we did to make us do this shit later when we're about to eat and shit, or like after. It feels weird not carrying a bag, which is cool, bro. But I'll see y'all like probably a few hours later, yo. In the streets, bro. Early morning. There's barely anybody. Bro, we just took a bus back. We're gonna go to my crib, and then eat, and then go gym, and then go to AIRSOFT. We in the gym now, and I realized on the way that I left my phone. So it's gonna be a phoneless workout. Arvik is doing lateral raises right now. I got squats. I'm doing 5 sets of 5 heavy squats.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate.
Alright, this is the ultimate test. I got 40 on each side, so 40, 40, 80. The bar is 20, so I got 100. So right now I'm gonna try to do 5 reps. No, not even try. I'm gonna be confident. I'm gonna do 5 reps. So let's see how easy it's gonna be, because I feel like I can do 105. This is probably the most I've squatted for 5 reps.
Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. But you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
Oh my god. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. That was harder than I expected. I don't think I can do 105. But I'm still happy though, because it's more than what I've ever done.
Like I never left. Stand for some shit that you never read. Passing through stages in life, through the ups and the downs, like it's all just another test. Live by the rules like a fucking ref. I got respect in 100 sets. Too many chains, need another chest. Playing no games if it wasn't chess. Come from that cloth that you couldn't stretch. Come from that circle you couldn't test. Heavily pressured and under stress, even though niggas ain't sure we was a mess. Honest attempt playing to the left. Judge a young nigga by their dress. Left us no option, what they expect. Only thing we knew for sure is the bang is set. Fuck living basic, I'm taking risks. Fuck what they saying, I'm saying this. Don't waste your time, it don't make you rich, it don't mean nothing, so fuck them, let's make a grip. Double up, triple up, make assists. Ballin' so hard you could play a bitch. Lead to the lake.
I saw that I decided that for the last set, instead of like 5 sets of heavy, I'm just gonna do like, I just added 60 kg to, like I removed everything and left 60 kg in the bar, and I'm just gonna squat like around 12 reps of 60 kg on bars. Cause like I've done this multiple times where like the last 1 or 2 set I just burn out my legs, and I feel my legs way more than just squatting heavy. So I'm just gonna do like probably 12 reps of 60 kg on squat. spot so heavy?
Nuh-uh.
Pop Smoke. This motherfucker was snoring on the bus. I was gonna do shoulder, but we don't really have enough time. I did 5 sets of squat. That's good enough.
Pull up in motorcades. I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Crossing that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now. But you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news.
God. We just got done with the gym, you know what I'm saying? Showered and all that.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah, my phone, I'm gonna go up and but I gotta go back home up because I left my phone again. I left my phone twice today, bro. But I was gonna do shoulder, legs, and tricep, but we didn't have enough time because we're going AIRSOFT. Booked it at 3, it's 2:30 right now. So we just had to do it quick. But I left my phone, man. Got my phone. Oh, you full army with it, bruh. You got a helmet?
Yeah.
Kinda scared, I ain't gonna lie, you know?
You don't want
I'm kinda scared. Hey, I'm suited up.
What the fuck is going on here? Fuck you! Fuck you, other side fuck you! I thought you would say, what the fuck was brother, bro? Hey, we're doing it wrong. Hey, groom, bro. They're like mentally retarded or some shit.
You know what the fuck going on, bruh? Bow! Bow! Hey yo, what's good, yo? Talk to the camera, yo.
Yo, if I get shot straight in, it's gonna break. The yams is all
Put it here. No, put it here. See that edge? Yeah. Now shot that on top, yeah. On top, yeah. Yo, orange team right here. Yo, did you? Oh.
Orange team, let's go!
Sit up. Friends. When it starts, let's rush this side.
Game plan? My leg's gonna.
Game plan. Split. 3 of us go to this side. Go. It's our team.
Wait, hold up. No.
Other side. Rush.
Alright, come with me.
I don't. Go. I got you.
I hit you too.
I didn't feel it.
Yeah, I hit you really good. So calm down. Hey, I hit you, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
hit
glad
it.
I hit you. Hit. Calm down.
Hit. I'm going to fucking camp. Damn. Let's rush. No, this time. Huh? Where are you gonna go?
There's a spot there where you can see that side and that side.
Oh! I'm your teammate. Alright. Everyone. Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go!
Hey, tell them what just happened, yo.
Let's get this dub, bro.
We just took a dub.
Yes, sir.
We just took a dub, you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What you talking about?
We took a dub. I got it here too.
Got 2 kills. I got 2 kills.
Yes, sir. Oh, wait. Safe mode. Yeah, safety's on. Yeah! What's up, bro? Oh, Fimo, I was shooting. Fimo, I was shooting you like this. I was shooting you like this.
Yes, sir. Oh shit, what's about to happen, yo?
I'm about to get shot.
Why? It's your birthday, yeah?
Yeah.
1v what? 1v13.
1v15.
No?
1v15.
7, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16.
1v16. 15. Good luck, yo.
Hey, I'm gonna send them in 5s, okay? 5s. So we won't have too much people. Hey, don't bring those. Don't bring those. Those have no ammo.
Hey! That was your ass getting shot! Yo, what the fuck happened to Saya? Yo, this guy. What the fuck happened to this dude? Yo, what happened to this dude? Yo, fucking died, bro. Yo, how you feel?
I fucked her up, bro.
Nah, you ain't fuck us up, bro. Hey, don't shoot me though. What the fuck happened? It's just started. Hey, we go out to shooting.
Gloves here. Gloves here. Goggles on the left. Vests on the right.
Yo, Aryan, bro.
Goggles on the left. Vests on the right. Gloves inside the vest. Right. Goggles on the left.
That shit was lit. Alright, man, I'm gonna have to end the video today. I hope you enjoyed it, I guess, because today was a really messy video. I went to school this morning for service hour. Oh yeah, you guys still haven't told them why, but like, honestly, it was this idea. We got bored after school. It was though. We got bored after school, so we decided to play ping pong with a basketball. So we basically combined all the tables and made a big ass ping pong ball. And then we were playing table tennis with it. Everything was going good. And then you know it's always that one person pops up and everything goes wrong. And then one of them popped up, fucking one of my homies popped up. Motherfucker, so basically he tried to hit it hard, but he hit the top of his hand with the ball. What? Yeah, he hit the top of his hand with the ball and then it flew up and then hit the fan. And then we didn't even get caught. Everything was fine until somebody kind of snitched on us because they broke the fan as well, but they were saying like somebody like already ruined it before to make it so fragile. But that's the reason why we had to do service hour this morning. We were just selling flags. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna keep trying to make new videos and shit, but this was kind of messy, but it's cause I couldn't record it. I couldn't record the airsoft. All I got was a clip of fucking Thomas getting gangbanged with bullets. But man, I hope you enjoyed the video. So yeah, man, fucking. Let me make a quote. Let me make an outro thing that I should say every time. Love yourself. Sending in the time.
Carry, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Never I ask when they say they love.
What's up?
Jeans to religion, I see no, but they keep giving. So taking and no,
I ain't taking.
we can keep on taking, I keep on demonstrating.
My love, my love, my love, my love, my lovely lady love.
My home, my homes, they got you.
I'm recording.
What the fuck? Cause of my home, my home, my home, my home, my home, my home, my lovely lady now. Check it out.
Hey, B-boy. Oh. Oh my shit, I cramped. I cramped. My thigh. Yo, that shit hurt. Shit, I cramped.
What the fuck? Why is it like this? What the fuck? Why is it recording like that?
I don't know. Alright man, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was a lovely day. Peace out, yo.
Arvik.
Oh shit. Oh, okay, it's cramping. Yo, pause.
Wait.
Oh, yo! Let's actually stop. My fucking thigh is cramping.
I said intro. Outro.
I'ma sing, alright?
What you gonna do with all that junk? All that